Hello guys, this is prime concept. Now I want to solve another problem under the application of Gauss law, right? The problem would make the concept of the application very clear to you. Do well to follow this, to watch this till the end of the video so you can learn it very well. Now we have the electric field 0.4 meters from a very long uniform line of charge. So what it means is that this question is talking about linear charge distribution, linear or line charge distribution, right? So the electric field 0.4 meter from the long wire. So it means that the radius we're dealing with is 0.4 meters, linear charge of 840 Newton per coulomb. The electric field E is 840 Newton per coulomb. And they said how much charge is contained in a 2 cm section of the line, right? So if you have a wire that is very long, in just a 2 cm section of that line, how much charge will be contained? So the length we want to find the charge that will be contained in is 2 cm, which you need to divide by 100 so that you have 0.02 meters. So we want to find how much charge will be present in the length 0.02. Now this is what we are going to do. First, we need to find the linear charge density, and then from there we can get the charge within this length of 0.02. Now we recall the electric field for a linear charge distribution E is lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught r. So this is the electric field. Now we're trying to find lambda, so it means that lambda is going to be this multiplied this. So I have 2 pi epsilon naught r times E. So this is going to be my lambda. Now quickly, if I substitute, I'll have that lambda is going to give me 2 times pi, which is 3.14, times epsilon 8.85 times 10 to the power minus 12 times r. My r is 0.4 times E now, 840. So my E is 840. So if I multiply this, I would have 2 times 8.85 8 point. So I have 18674.2 times 10 to the power minus 12. So this is what I have. And remember, the unit is coulomb per meter. So that if I write this, let's say in standard form, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll have 1.8, approximately 7 times 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb per meter. So this is what I have as my lambda, but this is not what we are looking for. We're looking for the charge within this length, right? So if you recall, charge is actually going to be lambda times L, right? Or you say lambda is charge over L. So charge we're looking for is lambda times L. So that we have our lambda as 1.87 times 10 to the power minus 8 times the length. The length is 0.02. So if I multiply this, I'll get 1.87 times 0.02, and I have 1, so I have 3.74 times 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb. So this is what I have. Or I can simply say, if I move this like this, so I can just say 0.374 nano coulomb. So any of them is correct. What did I do? If you just move this point here, it becomes 0.3. When you move, you're moving positive 1. So minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. And minus 9 is nano. So this or this is our answer, right? If this concept is clear. If you have watched